back, guys. So in this video, we will set up middleware, and we will set up like after user login. Here, after user login, token is null, so we will generate the token with the JSON Web Token using this package JSON Web Token. So after we set up the middleware using JSON Web Token and something like this, we can fetch the profile data to the Auth user. So first, I will create the JSON generated token under the API. I will say like token token GNERATE.js. Okay. Okay. So token generate.js. In here, it's very simple. To be able to generate token, I will go to JWT Web Token. Okay. So JWT Web Token, and we'll go to npm. So in here, I have already installed this package. So let me go down. As you see, we need to import the package. So I will import const JWT equal require JSON Web Token. So I have imported. So next, I will create the module GNERATE generate token token. Okay. So this module, I will receive the parameter ID. So after that, I will have arrow function key, and we will return the generated token. Okay. Whenever this method is called, we will return the token. So return return JWT dot. Here I will show you again. So as you see, token will be generated like this: JWT.sign full bar. This SSH will be like your secret key. Okay, you can store your secret key under the .env file. Okay, so let me go back and show you sign. Okay, sign. Under here, I will receive this ID. So I say ID. So as you see, so this is like this. So it will be like full bar. So this is a data type that you are going to sign. So for me, I will sign with the ID, and then I will say process process.env dot. I need to create the JWT secret key under the env file. Okay. So I will create here JWT underscore secret. Secret key will be like anything you want. Like maybe for me is like NOTE, no SHOP, shop 1 2 3 4 blah blah. So this is our secret key. Okay, no one will know our secret key. You can give your secret key by yourself. For me, it's like no shop blah blah. And we can use I will copy to make sure. So this secret key has been assigned for this JWT sign. Okay, and after inside here, we will say expire. Okay, we will say expire date for the token generated token. But here we don't see. But when we go a little bit down, you will see the expiration date, something like this. Secret, yeah, as you see here. So this is a secret key we just imported from our .env, and expire ends. So this is like 60 into 60, like you can say 1 hour or something like this with the key, like expire in, and then I will say 30 days. So it will be, the token will be valid for 30 days. After 30 days, the token expires. User need to be re-login again, and the new token will be generated by calling this function. So in our user route, we can say, we can call this function. Okay, very simple. So I will close .env file and I will say route. I will open the user here. So here we set it null. So we will use this token, I mean GENERATE, generate token. Let me go back. Yeah, generate token. And then I will send that login user ID, user._id. Okay, so this method will be called, but we need to import this method or this module in order to use in here, but we haven't import here. So I will say const generate token equal require /token and token generate. Okay, cool. So we have our token generate module, and we just send here. So let me go back and log in again. So if I log in, okay, we have got error. It's not a function. Blah blah blah. Type error. Generate token is not a function. Let me go back and check. Okay, so we need to export, because without export the module we can't use. So don't forget to export your module. So for me, I forgot if I don't take care. So I'm remind you again, don't forget module.export. Okay, so and then I will say, so we have got our token here. That's very simple. So it generated by using this token. We know that the user is authenticated user, and we will in the future video we will accept this token from the authenticated user, and we can communicate with the server and authenticated user using this token as a key. Like when you want to open the door, you need to have a key. Like this token is a key. Okay, cool. So for the profile, if you wish to, if the Auth user trying to access the profile, we need to have a key. That's why I created that token generator as a key. So without key, the user cannot open the door. Without key, the user cannot open the profile data like this. Okay, finally profile data. Okay, so under here, we will say get method with the get method. Okay, user route.get. So we will call this route name will be profile. So this profile we will be work with the essence handler to be able to handle the error message, and then IEQ and IEX the same like we did before. So we have arrow function key, and then we will find const user equal await user model dot find by ID. Okay, this method is exported by the mangoes. Okay, so user dot find by ID and request user underscore user dot underscore ID. So if this user ID is trying to grab the profile, okay, so we find that user with this ID like this. Okay, requested user ID, and then if we found the user, we will return the data. We will open the door. As we won't, okay, we won't give any data. If we don't found the user not found. Okay, response data will be 404 not found like this. Okay, so if we found, we will return very simple JSON data like we did before. user ID, name, email, created is admin. So format data, okay. So I will try. We haven't set up the key, okay, middleware, so anyone can open the door without the key. Okay, so I'm trying to find. I will duplicate. We will say this one, user PRO finally profile, and then 3000 ABN select user PRO finally profile with the get method. So if we send like this, for sure we'll get the error, because we are trying to find the user with the requested user ID, but we don't have that ID here. Okay, so for example, if I'm logged in here, I have got the ID. So if I'm trying to send this ID here, okay, like profile, so error, user already exists. I may not register, sorry, user profile. So I will send. As you see, we will get the user, but if the user doesn't log in and the user haven't the key, we can still access this user data. It's not secure way. Okay, that's why we need middleware. So we will create the middleware, and I will call under the ABN profile new folder called middleware middleware. So this middleware, we will validate if user has key or not. Okay, if user have key, we will send this data back to that authenticated user like this. Okay, so we will create like new file called auth.js. It means auth middleware. Okay, so auth.js, we need to do const jwt equal require, for sure, because we need to validate JWT JSON token, web token, JSON web token. That's why we need to import this module. And then we will define like const, where we will say anything we want, the name of the module called products, okay, PROTECT, products. So this is middleware products. So here we need to import another one to be able to handle the error. Okay, const async handler, essence handler. So we are using the express essence handler. Okay, so this one, and after this we can use this one here, and inside this we will have req and res with the arrow function key. So this function will be using with the essence and await. So req and res, and we need to bring another parameter called next. Okay, so inside this curly bracket we will say let tok and token. Okay, we will create the variable token if we have condition if req, this request, okay, this request dot header as headers, authori authorization, okay, and req dot header as headers dot authorization again dot start start with bear token. Okay, so we are trying to check the request header authorization is exist, and also start with the bear token like this. If this condition is okay, we will get the token from that header. Okay, so we will get the key from that header like this. Okay, we're trying with try catch. Okay, to in order to catch the error. If we have got an error, and then we'll say console.log error. If we have got error, we can see the error in our console. So inside the try, we will fetch our token equal iq dot header dot authorization dot SPLID split. Why I'm using this split? Because token will be bring with the bear, and then after that, okay, let's say blah 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 blah. This is our token. This is the bear. So there are two data like a array list. Okay, two data like this. I will show like this. Okay, this is the 1, and this is the this is 0, this is 1 position. Okay, you will know array, we can get the data from our array by the position. This will be the 0, and this will be the this position will be 1. Okay, like this, and 0, this position is 0, like this. That's why I will split with the space, because between bear and this one there is a space, as you see, space. That's why I split with the space like this here, space. So we have splitted the data, and then after that we're trying to find this token. That's why the position will be 1. So I will say like this, inside the array I want to get the token at the position, I want to get the data at the position 1, like this. So we have our token, very simple. So after we have got our token, we will beautify the token using JWT. That's why I imported here, but itself never used. And const decode, we will define the name like whatever we want. Decode that token. Okay, we will decode the token. JWT dot verify token, comma, and we will verify by our secret key. You remember .env, we have secret key here like this. Okay, so we verify with the process, process.env dot this secret key. If this token is verified by our secret key, we know that this is our auth user key. Okay, so request user equal now await is coming, because we use essence here, and we need to find user. This user we need to import under the model. Okay, here model. So and then we'll find by ID. So this decoded token dot ID. Okay, so why I am trying to get this ID, you will be confused. Decoded token, how we can get this ID from that decoded token? Okay, I will show you before I'm trying to. So we have token here. I will copy this token. I will go JWT web token, and this is the official website, jwt.io, blah blah blah. So I will paste my token. I have copied that. So as you see, we have got our data here. Okay, and after I paste in here, it's a ID. This one IAT is 96131837, and expire, this will be expire data. So like this, it's very simple. So I will show you. This ID is user ID from our user data. Okay, so I will show you here. As you see, this ID. Okay, because we have login by using this email and the password. So this ID is returned after we found this token. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to grab this ID from that decoded token. Okay, you got me right now? Okay. So after we found this user, what we were select, okay, we were select dot select. Why I'm using select? Because I don't want to bring all the data from our database, like all the fee, because I don't need password. That's why I use select. Inside this select, I can say my dash PSSWRT, which means I don't want password. Okay, my dash mean leave the password as it. The rest, give me the rest, like this. Okay, and then I will say I will use this nest. We will perform nest. Okay, we'll perform nest. Okay, cool. So if, okay, condition is here, and then we need to have another if condition. If not token, not token, which means if you don't have any key to open the drawer, I'm sorry bro, you need to go back. This is not your place, like this. That's why we need to say for when mean not authorized, new error or error. Go back bro, go back. You are not authorized. You are not authorized for this action to perform because you don't have any key, bro, something like this. Okay, so I will delete this and I will remove this one as well because we don't need. So after that, don't forget, this time we need to export our module products. If not, we cannot use it. Okay, module dot exports equal to products. So our module is ready. We are ready to go. So user, we will go back to our user profile. So very simple, we will use our products, PRODECT, products, as you see, middleware Auth. So we will use this one, and it's already imported here. Okay, so by using after the route name, we use the products. This user need to open the door by using the key, this products. If not, we will not perform this action. If products, the key is found and the door is open, we will do the rest. Okay, like this. So let me user is login. So I will copy this token. If you remember, we are going to send the bearer token authorization, and not here in our header, we'll say Auth authorization. Okay, because in our auth here, request header authorization. That's why we are trying to send the header with the authorization will be bear and then space the token. Okay, we're trying to fetch our profile, this bear token, and then send the same. So we get our result like this. Okay, so when I go back our user route, where is our, yeah, so request user ID, we found our request user ID. Okay, cool. So if I don't send with the round key, okay, I will say I will delete the okay, we have got an error. As you see here, JSON web token invalid signature. Okay, invalid signature, it means you are not authorized, bro. You need to go back like this. Try this one. Okay, we are now seeing the error like this, error like this. Okay, cool. So if I go back and send the right key, yeah, so now you can open the door and you got your data here. So very simple. And yeah, for this video, that's it. Like we made the middleware, Auth middleware with the name products, and then we trying to validate the header, and then try and cache block in order to validate the token. We use a spade with the split, and then we get our token. So that decoded token, we got ID. So the user model has been found by this ID, and we leave the password. The rest will be returned. Then we do the next. If not, we will get the error, and we will console log our error. If not token, it means you are not authorized. So let's test it. Let's test it without token. Without token. Okay, I will uncheck. Bravo, you see, error not authorized. This error is coming from here. This message, not authorized, bro. Like this. Okay, I will send. As you see, not authorized, bro. Okay, cool. So I will see you in the next video. We will do updating the profile. Okay, cool. Thank you.